Hello and welcome, it's Gilly Cube. I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia. This is going to be another blowout pour that's going to be for a hand embellished pour when the background is dry. So I was using all those lovely sort of dusty pink colours and going to create a background for something I have that I want to paint onto it at the end, like after it's dry. So just see how the blowout, you sort of kind of got to keep in mind the colours you want for your background sort of as you're blowing around, but it certainly is like a free and easy way to create and do an embellished pour. I really enjoyed it, and the time just with the hairdryer, just blowing your paints and seeing all the different things come up in your paints, and the sort of lovely, kind of looks like textures and 3D effects. I enjoyed the whole process, as you probably can hear. I was excited about this one, so I'm very happy for you to watch my process and watch this actual thing come to life. So let's go.
Let me tell you everything I've seen, the friends I've made, and then you tell me how you've been. Look a little closer, it's been quite some time. You gotta let me know if I'm out of line. But there's some words that I just wanna hear you say, to put it all straight before this night turns into day, and then I'm on my way. Yes, I'm on my way. A bit naive and so eager to please. You know I played for love, but it got me on my knees. Now's the time to reap what I've sown, your words echoing in every single bone. Underwater and so far out at sea, there's no cure for what you're telling me, and soon I'm on my way. Yes, I'm on my way.
So that is now my background blown out, and I will allow that to dry and then come back for my basically my idea on the dried piece. So you'll get the idea what I'm heading for. So okay, this was the lovely dried piece. I just allowed it a couple of days to fully dry, so as it's going to be fine enough to do the next bit on, I guess. I'm actually not going to use that stencil as what you see there. I'm just using the round of it as a guide for my half circles. So what I'm using is acrylic pens. They're the Montmartre acrylic dual tipped. You get a thicker tip on one side and a thinner tip on the other. It's just to give me a guide of where I wanted my kind of half cup, I guess. And then I'm just going to hand paint in the rest of my embellishments for this. So I'll let you watch me doodle away, try and think as well that I'm doing it to face me, so you'll kind of get in the view of it upside down, but it will get turned up the right way, and I will show you the finished piece and how it turned out. But this was a little bit of work in progress, but I fully enjoyed doing it. I am certainly no great free wrist artist or whatever they call it, but I just give it a go. Or if you've got a picture in front of you which you think you might like to try and have a go at, then keep a picture in front of you and try and have that as your guide. So it was sort of, I was drawing a little tree in here and I was using that. I'd got black paint in there in those little sort of squeezy things to sort of use, look, as I went along. It gives me a finer line. But I'm sort of having trouble with putting the paint down and then wanting to really mute it out. I guess I probably should try more watering my paints down completely, because it was ending up thicker lines than what I wanted. But you just live and learn as you go along, I guess, and you do it. You'll learn by each process that you take on. You'll learn by your own mistakes. Well, that's my way of learning anyway. So all I know is that I just really enjoy this kind of process, adding to your acrylic pours when they're dry. So they're making it, gorgeous backgrounds. They really are beautiful, I think. So watch this progress and I'll jump in where I need to.
So far out at sea, there's no cure for what you're telling me, and soon I'm on my way. Yes, I'm on my way. This pain is not of the ordinary. Every time that I breathe, I can feel your worry. So I have to take my love and write a different story. I'm on my way. Yes, I'm on my way. I'm on my way. I'm on my way. I'm on my way. Yes, I'm on my way.
Open air, side by side we sway there in all the colors. Summer love, lonesome dove, folded on the lawn chair in all the colors. Summer love, remember when we were getting nowhere fast, when the garden won't stop giving back honeysuckle, fresh cut grass. I could really use some stuff like that. Talk to me and tell me all that you've seen in all the colors. Summer love, memories washed in every shade of green in all the colors. Summer love, track of time with you. Another beach pie sunset view. Sleeping in the afternoon. No place to be and nothing to prove. That's sure something I could use.
Well, I was really working this one. I probably could have done a lot more to it, but I was just testing my boundaries and giving it a go. But I was glad I had a try. It's definitely not perfect, but I'm quite happy with the end result. So I'll just put a coat of varnish on it, or at a later date, if I leave it lying there, I might go back to it and try and zhuzh it up the best I can. But if not, that's fine. I'm happy that I attempted this kind of pour, and definitely going to try more embellishing pours with hand painting. So taking your acrylic pour to the next level. So my lovelies, thank you so much for joining me. Until next time, take care, please, and bye for now.
Open air, side by side we sway there in all the colors.